Are you wondering how to start an LLC for plumbing business? Today, you will learn about the most common ways to start your plumbing business, including the correct forms you'll need, how to register your LLC, critical naming requirements, and all other vital tips and tricks. Then, as a bonus later on in the video, I will reveal to you a trustworthy company called Northwest Registered Agent, which will help set up your LLC for free. So make sure to stick with me until the end. You can learn more about them by clicking the link in the description box below. Are you ready to dive into a dynamic world where pipes meet profits? Introducing the plumbing business, a venture that demands hard work, dedication, and a knack for managing schedules, teams, and budgets. Launching your plumbing business requires an investment of time, but fear not. With consistency, your revenue will flow just like water through unclogged pipes. As you gain your clients' trust, you'll become their go-to for leaky sinks, clogged toilets, and all things plumbing related. Whether you're a residential wizard, skillfully tackling kitchen mishaps, or a commercial maestro, servicing massive structures like hospitals and factories, the plumbing industry offers a diverse range of opportunities. So, are you ready to turn wrenches, build relationships, and watch your plumbing business flourish? There are a few key things you need to do in order to start your own plumbing business. Let's go through the essential steps to ensure you're well prepared before you take the plunge. Step 1. Get certified. Almost all states have plumber licensing requirements for plumbers, but the requirements vary from state to state. In general, most states require having a high school diploma or GED, passing an exam or certification program, and completing a certain amount of on-the-job training as an apprentice before obtaining a plumbing license. Step 2. Write a business plan. A business plan will help you figure out how to start and run your plumbing business. It should include things like your target market, competitors, pricing strategy, and marketing plan. Not only will a bank require you to have one, but multiple studies have shown that a business plan helps increase the odds of starting a successful business. Step 3. Name the business. Your business name is important for marketing and branding purposes. Choose a name that is easily remembered and reflects the professional image you want to project. Step 4. Form a business entity. When you're starting a plumbing business, you'll need to choose a business structure, such as an LLC or sole proprietorship. This will determine things like how you file taxes and how much personal liability you have if something goes wrong. A business entity, also referred to as a business structure, refers to how a business is legally organized to operate. There are 4 primary business structures to choose from, which include the sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and limited liability company, LLC. Each type of entity has its own pros and cons, such as liability exposure, costs, and administrative requirements. When deciding on which business entity is best for a plumbing business, it normally comes down to the sole proprietorship and limited liability company. The sole proprietorship is the least expensive and easiest entity to start, which is appealing. The downside is that the owner is personally liable for any debt or legal action, if anything happens to the business, which is an important consideration. The LLC offers the ability to operate as a sole proprietorship with the liability protection of a corporation. Depending on the state, the cost to form an LLC runs from $40 to $500, which is pretty inexpensive for protecting the owners from business-related lawsuits and certain debts. Get top-notch privacy protection with Northwest. Pay just $39 plus state fees and enjoy a free registered agent for a year. Check in the description box to get started. Step 5. Select your location. You'll need to choose a location for your plumbing business. This can be a home office, a commercial space, or even a mobile van. Just make sure you have enough room to safely store materials and equipment, and that your location is easily accessible to customers to minimize travel costs. Step 6. Apply for business licenses and permits. In addition to the state certification, which legally allows an individual to provide plumbing services, there will likely be additional licenses and permits needed before starting the business. Requirements vary by location, however, a few of these may include a local contractor's permit, business license, and sales tax permit. Step 7. Find financing. Depending on the scope of your business and the services provided, a plumbing business can be started out inexpensively with only a van and basic tools. If funding is needed, there are a few options to consider, such as taking out a bank loan or obtaining investment from friends and family. Banks are typically going to want the borrower to have good credit and be able to invest 15 to 25% of their money towards the total startup costs. Step 8. Open a business bank account. Keeping your small business and personal finances in separate bank accounts is important to track the income and expenses of your business and identify trends. Many banks offer free business checking accounts, so be sure to find a cost-effective option for your business. Step 9. Get your marketing plan in place. Plumbing businesses provide an essential service for everyone from homeowners to large corporations. However, running a successful plumbing business requires more than just being a qualified plumber. It also requires effective marketing. Here are some tips for creating a marketing strategy for your plumbing business. Start by creating a strong brand. Your brand should communicate what makes your business unique and why customers should choose you over the competition. Make sure your website is professional and easy to navigate. Potential customers should be able to quickly find information about your services and prices. Use social media like Facebook to reach out to potential customers and build relationships. Regular updates and engaging content will help your local search engine optimization, SEO, to attract new followers and turn them into loyal customers. Get involved in your local community. Sponsoring community events or partnering with other local businesses can help raise awareness of your business and generate goodwill. Always provide excellent customer service. This includes being prompt, courteous, and providing fair pricing for your services. Remember, happy customers are likely to recommend your business to others. Over the long term, this is the best marketing. Step 10. Get business insurance. When it comes to running a business, there are a lot of things to consider, one of which is insurance. Plumbers, in particular, need to make sure they are properly insured in case of any accidents or damage that might occur while on the job. Some of the most important insurance policies for plumbers to have include general liability and workers' compensation insurance. General liability insurance protects plumbers in case they are sued for any injuries or damages that occur as a result of their work. Workers' compensation insurance, on the other hand, is often required for businesses with employees and covers medical expenses and lost wages if an employee is injured while on the job. 11. Hire employees. While many plumbing businesses are operated with only the owner performing the work, employees can help grow the business and take on larger jobs. There are a few key things to keep in mind when hiring employees for a plumbing business. First, it is important to find someone who is skilled and experienced in the field. Plumbing is a complex trade that requires a high level of technical knowledge, so it is essential to find someone who knows what they are doing. Second, it is important to find someone who is reliable and trustworthy. Finally, it is important to find someone who is polite and professional. Plumbing businesses deal directly with customers, so it is essential to hire someone who will represent the company well. Step 12. Set up an accounting system. Setting up an accounting system for your plumbing business is critical to your business's long-term success. A good system will help with estimating jobs, sending customers the bill, knowing who still owes you money, and staying on top of taxes. In conclusion, starting an LLC for your plumbing business is a strategic move that offers numerous benefits, including limited liability, tax advantages, and enhanced credibility. By following the step-by-step guide outlined in this comprehensive overview, you can establish a strong foundation for your plumbing business's success. Remember to consult legal and financial professionals to ensure you're complying with all relevant regulations and making the best decisions for your business's future. With your LLC in place, you'll be well equipped to provide high-quality plumbing services while safeguarding your personal and professional interests. Best of luck on your journey. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you in your business? That's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty. Time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.